Stop building AI agents. I'm serious. Most people automating their business right now are pouring weeks into the wrong layer entirely. And there's a dead simple folder system that beats all of it. Let me show you. Here's what everyone does. They hear AI agent and they go build a factory. A writing agent, a coding agent, a video agent, 12,000 lines of Python, vector databases, frameworks stacked on frameworks, 100 bespoke robots for 100 different jobs. It's fragile, it's expensive, and the second you want to change something, the whole thing breaks. Now here's the part nobody tells you. You don't need any of it. The shift is this. The folder is the app. Your folder structure is the interface. Instead of building 100 robots, you give one smart robot a map and let it walk to whatever workstation it needs, read the instructions left on the desk, and do the job. One agent. That temporarily becomes the agent you need just by reading the folder it's standing in.
Look at me, I'm a writer!
This is the Interpretable Context Methodology, ICM. And it has 3 layers. Layer 1, the map. One markdown file that loads the moment the AI enters your workspace. Global rules, folder structure, naming conventions. Think of it like the floor plan pinned to the wall when you walk into a building. The AI reads the floor plan and instantly knows which room it needs. Layer 2, the rooms. These are your workspaces. A writing room, a production room, a community room. When the AI walks into the writing room, it loads only what's relevant to writing. It ignores everything else. Layer 3, the files. Your actual drafts, scripts and outputs sitting inside the rooms. And the magic that ties it together? Routing tables, written in plain English. Inside your context files, you just say, for this task, read these files. Skip those. You might need these skills. That's it. No SQL, no vector database, just English a human can read and edit. So why does a folder full of text files beat a fancy AI framework?
Oh, mommy.
3 reasons. 1. Adaptability. You're not maintaining 100 agents. You maintain 1 and a map. 2. No code. You're not writing 12,000 lines of Python. The routing is just words. 3. You stay in control. Every step is a readable file. You can open it, see exactly what the AI is thinking, and change it. And here's the kicker, the cost. An AI runs on a finite context window. When you dump everything into one giant prompt, it's reading your video notes while it's supposed to be writing a blog post. You're burning money on stuff that doesn't matter. It's like paying an employee to reread the entire company handbook every single time you ask them to send one email. ICM fixes that. The AI only ever reads what it needs for the step it's on. People using this are cutting their token usage by 20 to 40%. That's real money every single day just from organizing files. So before you go build a factory of robots, try the folder. One agent, a map, a few markdown files. That's the whole system. This is what we do at Dark Horse Automations. We build these structures for businesses that want the power of AI without the 12,000 lines of Python. If that's you, stick around. Because in the next videos, I'm going to build one of these with you from an empty folder up. Keep it simple.